This video will walk you through engaging with the Generac Load Task Management Agent, creating and assign load tasks, and accessing email content information. Follow the steps below for a seamless experience. Initiate conversation with the Generac Load Task Management Agent. Here we will show you these three features step by step. Input the command to ask the agent to create a load task. The agent will reply the corresponding steps for creating a new load task, which is based on the prompt predefined. Enter the command to learn how to assign load tasks. According to the prompts, the agent will respond to the steps and notes to you. Provide details to inquire about email content and notification emails for load tasks. Based on the configured template, the agent will generate the emailed template for you to notify the warehouse or another related department. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Generac Load Task Management Agent.